Cycling with a heavy backpack is such a hassle, especially during bike camping. It makes you get tired easily and your ride less enjoyable. So today, let's make a review on the Roswheel 37-liter water-resistant 3-in-1 bicycle rear pannier bag, which can help solve this problem. I saw a couple of cyclists using a bag attached to their rear bike, which I found interesting. I googled what type of bag it was and found out that it's called pannier bag. I then browsed through Lazada and came across this Rossville bag with a reasonable price and good reviews, so I decided to give it a try. The two side bags are linked together with a handle and one detachable top bag. The bottom part of the pannier is made of easy-to-clean tarpaulin material, so after a bike ride, you can easily wipe dirt and mud with a simple wet cloth. It has ample of space to carry your essentials for a 3 to 4 day camping trip, which of course depends on how you will arrange and pack your things. The detachable top bag actually comes with a strap, so you can use it as a shoulder bag. The bag is water repellent, however, I would suggest that you buy a separate rain cover. They claim that the logo is reflective, but I noticed that it doesn't really reflect at night even when I use a flashlight. Frequently used items can be stored in the top net. You can also store your water bottle there. There are only two colors available, which are black and army green, but it would be better if they have more options to choose from, especially if you want to match a certain color with your bicycle. Another thing is that I hope they provided hook loops on top of the detachable bag so you can strap additional carrying things. Overall, I am satisfied with the Roswheel 37-liter water-resistant 3-in-1 bicycle rear pannier bag. At $34, it is very reasonable and it delivers its job. I will probably do an update about this product, so watch out for it. And that's it for my review. I hope this video helped you in a way. Thank you for watching and see you next time.